It's all done. Wide as I could get it. Deep into here as I could get it. And you go farther than that, there's no way to pull in there. Pad all cleaned off. Kyle's doing the final touches right now. I mean, that pad is nicer than most people's driveways. It's going to be underneath the house. But that's what you get when you call us. Nice work. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Septic stub up. Water stub up. Entrance is down there on the pedestal. And it was heavy out here. This is heavy snow out here. Heavy, heavy, heavy. I just pushed it all down the back. Most of it. Some on the sides. I got it far enough away where you can walk down the side without being on top of the snowbank most places. There was a lot of snow. Had a lot of snow. For perspective, snow's all the way up to the top of the roof line here. And there's a ton of snow here. Yeah, a lot of fresh stuff too. Do what? See you on the next one. Get your attention. Objects in mirror are steeper than they appear. Nice view up here though. Yeah, look at him go, baby. He's fearless, folks. He's fearless. He's got a rope though. Wouldn't put anybody up there without a rope. And that's that. Hopefully the sun will melt this off. Otherwise, you gotta put some rock salt up there or heat tape. You can do steam, but it's awful expensive. All right. That's it. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good to go. Skid steer stays running 24/7. You take the easy way down when you got a big enough pile of snow.
Jumping into the snow.
Yes, sir.
That's a big enough cushion.
Yeah, it is. You're good. It's nice and soft.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh yeah. You coming, Drew?
Yeah. Hello. Hi, how are you? They're just coming off the roof. They're jumping in the snowbanks. They're so deep.
Check this stuff out. Customer's house. Hop up there and get at it, fellas.
Where do you want it? Probably back there off of that.
The short roof, most likely.
Yeah, because that looks like an addition and it looks like it's a little bit flatter than the other roof.
Oh, look at that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. These little snatch box right here. That's cool. This one was brutal. There's another valley, two valleys in the back, and that goes all the way past. It's a big T. And then there's an addition off the back. All this snow came down here. We got it out with skid steer. All the snow against the windows we got out and shoveled out, and all the stuff on the deck we shoveled out as well. It's quite a bit back there. To it. Nothing to it, right, Ricky? Nothing to it. Little workout. I haven't hurt anybody. Third one of the day. Ricky's got them feet. Third one of the day. Going to the next one after this. Oh yeah. Of the day, Rick.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's still snowing. It's been snowing all day. All day long. Yeah, look how deep she is. You can't really get on that. What an adventure today. Crazy. Crazy day, huh, Rick? 2 days straight now. We are third one of the day. Just getting packed up. Oh yeah. Everybody's feeling strong, real strong. Clean out the path. We even cleaned off her car. She's an elderly lady, nice lady, so we cleaned off her car, got it warmed up. We're gonna get it de-iced for her and get it backed in. Yeah, here's another one, done deal. They didn't want the garage done because it's steel. Oh yeah. Hey baby, she's fixed. Got some ice in the fuel line, fuel separator, and fuel filter. Took them off, let it warm up. Had it plugged in for a couple days, that way it'll thaw right out. New fuel, all good. She's back, baby. I think it was already roasted. There's that, and then there's an addition down there you can't see yet. We'll show you. You can finally see that it's a whiteout on the phone. There's a car, there's a truck right up in front of me here, but you can't see it. We're just coming back from Camden, New York. On our way back down to Constantia. Not a problem. Out here serving the community. Doing what we can as fast as we can. I mean, it is so beautiful out here, but our shovel broke. Look, we have a broken shovel, and this was our, you know, that thing moves some snow. But we got 3 more coming in on order, and a few more other shovels. Look how beautiful it is out here, huh? Who wouldn't want to be out here? I don't know, man. I don't know. up here. Just did a huge ice removal. Okay, here we are. Going over to do the next one. The roof looks pretty good. Try to get this lower roof cleared off. See her down there, way down there. It's over. Get another one done. And then we're gonna meet up in the middle at the next one. Video, the entrance to the house, because we haven't been here since we started 2 weeks ago. Here's my truck. You can barely see it. It's in the road. We got the backhoe coming over here. Let me zoom it out a little bit for you. There you go. Now everybody doesn't have to wonder why I wanted a house like this. The strongest shape in the world. That baby ain't going nowhere. Look how small it looks with all the snow up against it. That's crazy, right? That's fucking nuts. Oh yeah, we gotta get this cord unplugged so I can start shoveling over there, doggy. Right there at the pole. We'll find a plug. Should be a plug right below that extension cord's plugged into on the pole. Craziness up here, yeah. We're making progress. We're getting in there. We're getting in there. Usually I get to have all the fun. Now Dad's getting to have some. I'm sure it's not fun anymore. He's been in that thing all day long. He's been in there all day, baby. I got a party waiting for me, but guess what? This comes first. I'll have cold pizza on my birthday. Just kidding. Throw it in the oven quick. I'll throw her in the oven. Oh, once he breaks through to the top, that's gonna be glorious, baby. Look how deep that is. I mean, it's over the tires. The tires are 4 foot tall. Oh yeah. Every time I video him, it's hung up. But it wouldn't happen if I wasn't videoing. He'll crawl right out though. He knows what to do. He knows what to do. Gotta be easy. Don't dig yourself a hole. Don't spin the tires. Just come back a couple inches at a time. Use your front bucket. And if you had to, you just spin around and use the backhoe. He can drag himself anywhere then. You're never stuck with a backhoe. Never ever. Well, she's snowing again. She's snowing again, ladies. You can't tell, but you can only tell like when you have headlights or something like that in front of you. Over here, it doesn't look like it's snowing. You can't see it on the phone. Spin over here. Oh yeah, she's snowing. Oh look, a pedaddle. Drunk pedaddle, by the looks. Drunky. Drunky the clown. Hang on to her. Here it is. My house is last. I haven't touched it in over 2 weeks. Daddy-O's getting her done. He's like, fuck you, man. I am done, he says. He says, I am fucking done here, bud. This is what you're looking at out front. And then you got this overhang on the wing. This half is all done. We got these ones done. If you can imagine that snow pile coming out and onto the porch. Get that all cleaned up for the customer. And out back, I mean, you can see how deep the snow is here. That's a car. Those have been cleaned off. It's a good 4 foot. And on this, I don't know, just because of maybe the way the wind blows through here, you can see how much snow is on there, because now it's all the way up higher than the eaves. Same on the backside. We had to keep pushing it off and pushing it off and pushing it off because there was nowhere to go with it. Look at all that snow we piled up back there off the roof. Alright, that's it. If we didn't get to you today, I'm gonna go. I got one guy that wants to work tomorrow with me, so we're gonna come in. We have one more that we should have gotten to today, Friday, but we'll get to you tomorrow. We'll be caught up and be fresh for Monday. Second one of the days done. On to the next one. So the chimney's out back, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to cap it at the roof, and then we'll run triple wall down, flex triple wall down to the hot water heater or furnace, whatever it is. I think it's hot water heater, and then we'll just run triple wall up, and it should be sturdy enough to where it won't happen again if we have to put a tie back on there. We'll put a tie back on there. That's that.